To set up eSIM on a Samsung A36 5G, first of all, you will have to start by opening settings, and right now you will have to go into connections. When you are here, go into SIM manager and then click to add eSIM. Now just wait for a few seconds to get some services on the phone. It will take around a few moments. So as you can see now, we get a few options. We can transfer SIM from another phone. We can scan a QR code. So this is what I'm gonna actually do because I've got a QR code. And you can search for eSIMs. So select this one, and here, if you want to scan the QR code, you will have to just grab your phone and then scan that small QR code. As you can see now, if you got an activated QR code, then you have to follow on-screen instructions. But you can also enter activation code right here manually. And this is the another method. But also, if you receive QR code via email, then you can take a screenshot of it, and then by using gallery, you can read that QR code.